monsters, mummy skeletons, knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
And today we're going to do a tutorial for the 12.5-foot giant deadwood skeleton. Now, we bought ours last year at the end of the season on sale, but we know they brought it back, so that's why we're going to do a tutorial for y'all to show you how it is to put it together. And we've done the Inferno, and most of the parts look just like it. So
similar.
We did get everything out of the box. We got it set out. We suggest that it's easier. That way you ain't digging through them. Get them lettered out the way they set up, and then go ahead and get your frame out and set it down, and let's get started.
All right, so the frame's A, so here's your B's.
Yep, and realize it has the two hooks in the back for the cable that goes through his spine and goes down and catches, so make sure you put that to the back. All right, what's first?
It says to put the legs on, B, on all four corners.
All right, let's slide those in real quick. And guys, if anything we do on here, if y'all have already put y'all's together before and it makes it faster, please comment in the comments and let us know, because this is the first time we put the deadwood together.
And that goes next, C and D, which is his feet.
And they have little notches in them, and they got two pins sticking up, so just make sure you get those turned and caught inside of those little notches. I don't know if you can see it or not, but see the little notches right here? There's two little pins stick up, so you want to make sure you lay those on it and turn it towards that. There we go.
And then E for his legs.
And I really like this because they letter them together, and it doesn't matter which one goes on which side. Like some of them it does, some of the clowns and some of the other stuff that they have. I think it makes it a little faster.
All right, for your C,
yep,
it's F for his leg.
All right, and then you'll see they are turned, so you can't put them in the wrong spot when you're putting them down on here. Just make sure they do go seat down inside those boxes, and you turn them the same way. Very important when you're going to put the whole body together that they're all lined up and down inside the hose good.
And G
and this
goes
one's
with,
got a flat spot on it too, so
G goes with D. Okay, H goes with that leg.
All right, so H is going on the left-hand side.
I goes on that leg.
I goes on the right. And they just got pins in them, so just make sure you push them in, slide it over, and make sure they do catch, and kind of pull it and make sure they catch good. Because some of these pins are bad about not popping back out.
J goes on that side.
J does?
Uh-huh. Yeah, this reminds me a lot of the Inferno.
I believe the pieces are exactly the same. They're just colored different, I swear. It's identical almost. Wait a minute. There we go.
All right, for the next step, the body, which is L, says two people.
And I think you got to lay it over, don't you? Hey, you ain't going to put that up there. You're a little bit short of reaching that gun.
That ain't happening.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So it does say lay it down, and we're going to have to do that, especially since Jen's helping me. She definitely can't reach up there high enough to put that on.
Yeah, that ain't going nowhere.
I put her on a 2-foot step ladder, and I still don't think she can reach it. All right. Let's just pull it up.
So right off the bat, I don't agree with putting those pose on first.
Yeah, that's what I was getting ready to say. I think.
But that's what the instructions said.
Well, let's try it and see. But I think that's going to lean it further this way because it ain't leaning in an angle, and it pushing these pieces off. Got it?
Yeah. No. Mine's crooked.
Well, I think they've done come out of their seat. Raise that back up. That's why I don't like leaving. Yeah, see?
It's got the holes in the back. I could almost reach it.
Almost, but no cigar.
No.
There we go.
Get both of them in?
Yeah, and I think Inferno, this was a struggle too.
Y'all, it's hot out here.
Yes, it's been like 90 degrees today.
It's humid.
All right, now.
Okay. Now we lay him down.
All right.
Are we going to take him off?
I think so.
Yeah, we're taking our the bottom off.
The two front ones, because it makes it so high that it wants to, like it's flipping over. Scoot it back a little bit. There you go. You want to kind of lean it? Yeah, there you go. That way it ain't so high.
All right.
Yeah, we did take the two front legs off. It seems like it's easier like that.
His spine, get out from the camera.
All right, so this just lines up with the pins. Push it in, make sure it's caught. And that's got an awful big hole in that. It ain't a little one for some reason. Okay, guys, we slid up. Don't forget, we almost did this, or did do it. So don't forget to put this wire in, because it didn't say it on the directions, did it?
It did. I overlooked it.
Oh, okay. Well, it did say it, but Jen skipped it. She's getting tired. She's out here sweating, burning up, sweating her eyes, and she can't see. So, but just don't forget that. And all you do is just push it together, screw it in tight, make sure so you get that, and then slide this on back.
Make sure you tuck your wires in. I'm going to set y'all down for a minute so I can help get the wires tucked in.
Best thing to do is just pull them up towards the top there, then slide it on back. There you go. Just got to find your hoe and be easy how you screw it in, and don't cross thread it. Give me those pliers. Oh, right here they are. Just make sure it's good and snug. It's not too tight, and that'll help hold it in place.
All right.
Okay, you can do the arms. Got the Allen wrench?
I do. It comes with an Allen wrench.
Does it say which side goes on which?
Well, that's what I was trying to figure out. Okay. So he's laying like this. O goes over there. P's over here.
All right. So O on the left-hand side.
Yep.
And you can see how it kind of lines up because it's got threads in there on the white part on top. And that's where I'm putting the screw part. And I will tell you this, snug it up, but don't go too tight, because if you don't watch, you'll put that screw straight through that plastic and bust it. Because guess what, I did that. So snug, not taut. And make sure you're pushing them all the way in while you're screwing it down. That way it goes all the way back against his shoulder. And this really hasn't been that bad, has it?
Uh-uh.
I think this one went better than the Inferno, but we did it more because we've already put that one up a couple years.
We probably need to move our box out a little bit because on this next part, on his hands, it says note. Please make sure hands are oriented properly. The palms of the hand should be aimed towards the base. Like that. Yeah. So we probably need to scoot him back so we got, or the box back.
I'm going to raise it up and you slide the box up. I'll slide it up. Yeah. There you go. And lay his shoulders across the box.
That one over there goes to that one. This one goes to this one.
Right. Is it high enough or is it hitting the ground?
Yeah, I'm probably not doing this right.
Get it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Check it, make sure.
Yeah, now that looks right.
Okay. Then
Go ahead and put his head on.
now you secure your wires.
All right.
Here they are. You got something to open that with.
Yeah, because I'll tell you, if you forget to try to put this cable on when you stand it up, it's very hard because it's leaning frontwards. Here, the box is pushing it back towards the back of the base, which makes it easier. All right, guys, so now we're going to put the cable on and run it through the cable hoe, and that's to help support him backwards to make sure he's not leaning frontwards, especially when they start getting worn a little bit. All right. And what you'll do is Jen's going to hook one side first, and then I'm going to do it, and you'll probably have to pull the base up towards it a little bit to get it in, and there you go.
Let me show that. I don't know if it went back that far.
That way they can see how it goes through that. And you really want it at the back. There you go.
Then it hangs on to these hooks on the back of your base. All right.
All right, now it's time to put his head on.
Yay.
We're almost done.
Make sure you hook your wires up for this.
So, and I will tell you this, watch, because when you put his arms on the way we have them sticking up like that, unless you put them back down towards the body, it puts the pressure on it. So, and this has got a little spot that slides in, little groove, and then you just push it in and turn it tight. And then make sure now the head you can do either way. Just make sure the hole lines up. The wire does stick out from this head, so it does not go up in there. Just make sure it sticks out and doesn't get caught.
Oh my God, you have to hurry up. He's heavy.
All right.
He's heavy.
All right, get underneath his legs. Let's push him up. He's ready to sit up.
Now you can see the big boy.
So there you go. And
oh man, we didn't cut that paper off.
Well, be all right. I can take a ladder and get up there and get it down. So we're going to stake him down, and they've got holes in it. So all you have to do is just drive them down through the holes. And then I put extra cables on mine. And I'll probably do like I did the Inferno. I'll run it around the front part of the middle piece in his chest, and then one around his spine and run them backwards. So that way it's got two cables, two legs running to the back, two legs to the front. Because I did not take no chance on ours getting tore up. And we're lucky we've had them up, 2 years and had none blowed over and get tore up. We have had one blowed over, but we didn't get it cabled down yet.
No dice.
You ain't reaching that, are you?
Nope.
Just got to make sure you put the cord in. These are pretty good because they push in. Just make sure you don't cross thread them, because I've did that before on them too. I did that on one of my trees last year, the murderous maple, and it kept wanting to cut in and out because it's cross threaded and wasn't getting good connection sometimes. All right, guys. So we got it together. We're going to bring it out, come out after it gets dark, and be able to let you see what it looks like in the dark. All right. Okay, guys, it's dark and he's all lit up. We wanted to show you what he looked like. Oh, we love it.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Yeah,
looking.
he's awesome. It'll go good with our pumpkin patch stuff that we're going to do with some dead trees in it. And yeah, he looks good. I like the way the top of his chest lights up good, but I like the way the top of his head lights up a little bit. And it'll look good once we just have like a little cheap landscaping light pointed on him. We'll get one of our good floodlights and have like a maybe a green, blue color or something. And we're going to change it and let you see.
Okay.
So there's red. What's that one? Green?
Yellow, orange, yellow,
Orange, yellow,
green.
green.
Looks like a blue, turquoise, purple, dark blue, whatever you want to call it. Pink. That's
I
white.
think that's just what, clear?
Yeah, it's just
Or
white.
white, I guess. And then there's back to the red. I kind of like the red though myself.
I do like the red.
And I like the way his eyes are, which, you know, all the big animatronics are going to those eyes. Okay, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content. And we appreciate the people that watch to the end. And we hope this tutorial helps you out. We tried to explain and show stuff best we could. And if there's something that we need to do, or if y'all have done it and y'all want to comment on the way you did it, something to make it faster, please comment and let us know. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Happy Halloween.